Welcome one and all to my channel Coding Abby. This is my first video in this playlist. So we are gonna see what is Dart. Dart is a programming language, okay, made by Google, and in this we can create very beautiful apps, beautiful native Flutter apps for both iOS and Android. Earlier in the times it was like you have to make two different apps for iOS and Android. The Android apps were coded in Java, and these iOS apps were coded in Swift. So managing their different databases or collapsing the two different databases into one, and then developing another like same app with same features in two different languages was like quite a tedious work to do, and that's why Google came with a Flutter environment, which is an excellent solution for this problem. In Flutter, Dart is the main language used, with which we can develop the apps, develop the looks, and also the functionality. I mean that is front end and back end, both for a particular, like any simple to any level complex app. Okay, and the deployment of Flutter apps is also quite easier. Google also provides with its own database, which is very well compatible with Flutter, that is Firebase, and we will later in the Flutter tutorial will see integration of our apps with Firebase, but for now we will focus on Dart. Okay, this was the introductory video on what Dart is. So if you don't know any prior programming languages like C++, Java, Python, any language, it is not a prerequisite. I will be teaching this with very basics for any level beginner, so you can continue watching this series if you are beginner. Also, if you are well versed in any other languages, then mostly C++ and Python, then this language is like would be a quite easier to learn for you, because Dart can be said as a combination of C++ and Python according to me, in terms of syntax and in terms of some terminologies. We will see it in later in detail. So to introduce with, I want you to Google Dart, and the first link came up here is Dart programming language, something like that. So yeah, this opens the home page. Okay, here is a small interface to write your code and try it out, but this is, yeah, I would recommend this for learning Dart. We will be doing this is a small version of Dartpad. We in this tutorial are going to use Dartpad. What is Dartpad? Let me show you. So this is a Dartpad where you can write your code here, and by clicking run button you can see your output here. See, and this is like the documentation part. If you are a beginner, you will later understand what it is. The documentation is basically the way we write these things is, see, I highlighted the main, so it described me in short or in some part that what it is like. What is it? It comes as main.dart. It is a file, then its type is void, and something like that. So what is this main, what is this for? If you are a beginner and you don't know anything, then we will look into it in great detail in this series. Okay, so that's it for today. Bye.